स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट लाइव अपडेट्स। सन फार्मा, CDSL, IDFC, फर्स्ट बैंक, Delhivery are set to announce Qatar earning today. Catch all the live updates, earning number of development from companies reporting Q3 financial year 26 results here through the day. Q3 result today live updates. Key companies reporting today include the Sun Pharmaceutical Industry, IDFC Bank and Delhivery, GAIL India, Finolex Industry and the Reliance Infrastructure. Hello and welcome to our live blogs coverage of the Q3 financial year 26 earnings session on January 31, with more than 75 listed companies set to announce their result through the day. The December quarter scored spans banking, pharmaceutical, logistic, energy, manufacturing, financial service, and technology, offering a broad rate on the corporate performance rate midway and through the financial year. Key companies reporting today, including some pharmaceutical industry, IDFC Bank, Delhivery, GAIL India, and Finolex Industry and the Reliance Infrastructure. Alongside these names, a large group of mid and small cap companies will also publish their numbers, adding their both to the earning picture across sectors. The result will cover income, profitability, and margin and balance sheet trends, and helping market participants assess how companies performed during the quarter ended December. The September quarter delivered mixed outcomes for several large companies, while some firms report steady revenue growth and profit came under pressure for others. A few sectors showed them operating improvement, while the margin remained a focus area. Against these backdrops, on Q3 financial year 26 result will be closely tracked for signs of the stabilization and growth momentum and cost control, particularly in interest rate and sensitive and the consumption linked sector. The December quarter also served as an important checkpoint before the final stage of financial year 26. Investor and analysts will be watched not only headline number but also shift in the margin, assess quality and cash flow, and management commentary and the when available will be read alongside the pharmaceutical to understand how companies are positioned going into the next quarter. और रिजल्ट आप लोगों ने देखा Q3 रिजल्ट लाइव अपडेट्स फर्स्ट बैंक IDFC First Bank and State Q3 estimate suggested steady operating growth with the moderation in net interest margin. Net interest income to project as 5,452 crore compared with the 4,902 crore, up 11%. Net interest margin is the estimate at 5.7% versus 6.0. Profit as projected at 534 crore compared with the 339 crore, up 57.52% year on year. For Q3 result live, Sun Pharmaceutical Industry Q2 financial 26 snapshot. In Q2 financial year 2026, Sun Pharmaceutical Industry reported at 9.5% year on year raise in the consolidated total income to dash 14,948.23 crore from dash 13,645.39 crore, and net profit dash 2.6% year on year to dash 3,117.95 crore. Result live, Sun Pharmaceutical Industry, what analysts expected. For result live, more than 75 companies on the docket